Good morning. Before we start today's video, I just want to say a big thank you for the support on the previous video a couple of days ago. Unreal, all the likes, all the comments, the support for Charlie, the new apprentice, is awesome. So thank you very much. Yes, Charlie. Yesterday we didn't really do any filming. It was one step forward, two backwards. What we ended up doing is building up the internal blockwork skin and setting out all of our step trays. Because this ground is all graded, we're having step trays like you would when you have a lean-to roof or a garage roof on a building. So all the step trays have been pretty much built in, and we've built them in also all around this corner. As you can see, all the step trays do work. It drops down. So this morning we've built up this corner and now we're running in all brickwork. Because my mate's brickwork previously was very out, I don't know if I've explained this, but I'll explain it again. You can see that our previous mate's brickwork is over here. So what I've done, I've cast my line from the house to this profile, and I'm now ranging the entire thing through. I think what the previous bricklayer did, he started building down here and worked from here to the house, but he never really ranged it through. So I started from over there, and now I'm just pulling everything through, getting all the levels right. In a bit we'll speak about the finished floor level, which is 400mm higher than this, but yeah, at the moment we're just sourcing stuff out, but we're getting there today. I've got my line here, it's cast to the house, and what I'm having to do is plumb down like you would in a footing, mark matey's brickwork, and then we're having to tingle everything down to make sure that everything's working. So I'm actually having to put my line there for now and then cast it all the way through. It's a bit of a ball ache, but luckily for me, Rhino Build sent me a load of tingles which are absolutely mint. So we're just going to continue doing this on matey's existing brickwork. I've only got one more course to step in, and then here's my brickwork, so I should just be able to then start blasting. And in a bit we're going to be using the facing bricks. Very exciting. Setting up one of our first step trays, okay? So whenever we put tray on, Charlie, you bed it on so it actually sticks to the brickwork, yeah? So bed it on like that, and here you've got our upstand, okay? So the tray goes on the brick, it comes up the brick 65mm, and then past the brick at least 150mm. Okay? Right. There's about 150mm or something. It's coming past actually a bit more, which is decent. So if I just trap that down for now, okay? So there's that. Then we put our weep hole in, okay? So the weep hole goes there, tight up to the perp joint, okay? Yeah. We just build the weep hole in like that. So now, push the weep hole in a little bit if it sticks out. So now, if any moisture, well, moisture's going to come from this tray, it's going to step into this tray there, hence the name. And because I've got an upstand here, any moisture that goes into here will come out there. If I had it just flat, like there, and didn't have upstands, the water could just easily roll off the tray. I'm not saying that the trays are going to be full of water, but you always have a 75mm upstand, and then you bring the tray back 150mm at least, and that's basically how you set step trays.
Saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, and it's the way that
so we're actually making good progress today. Like Charlie just said, it's our third day. We've been here since Monday. Monday we messed about, sussing levels out. Tuesday did all the cuts. Wednesday, yesterday, we was messing about all the step trays. I did sort the step trays out in the end. I had to call, who did I call? I called Adam, Tricky Bricky. nice one. I spoke to him for about 10 minutes talking about these step trays, and he gave me some good pointers, so nice one. I do appreciate it, mate. At the moment we are just setting out our reds. So what I've done, I've put this line here on the profile, cast up to the house, and all I'm doing, I'm following this line and making sure I've got 5 blues showing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll have red starting there, and that's pretty much all I've done. So we won't have the whole panel in blues, it will be reds as well. So that's cool. And then in a little bit we're going to sort out our finished floor level and then bring it round all at the same height, and then hopefully by the end of today this will be up here to finish floor level, and then tomorrow, Friday, you're not in, are you?
Nope.
Sound. We've got Drew tomorrow.
Hey.
I'll be pulling across the back. Yeah, most of the time the community on YouTube is actually really nice. Especially when you're quite a small channel, or if you've just got like people who watch and I think genuinely like it.
Yeah.
They all seem quite friendly.
Oh yeah, they're never going to be dicks, are they?
Yeah, but you know, if you've got to put work on the internet,
Yeah. Oh,
you've got to be prepared to have some stick. Me and Charlie have got all the brickwork up to a pretty decent height. Charlie's pointed up and it's looking very tidy. Well done, Charlie.
Thank you very much.
We're just about to set the brickwork to the finished floor level. Eventually this brickwork here is coming down, and we're having a footing dug in front of the existing brickwork. That's then going to be our block work, 150mm cavity, and then new brickwork in these bricks to here, so it's all going to wrap around. Anyway, enough of that. I've set the laser to finish floor level, which is actually this brick here, top of brick there. If I measure from this point to that brick, I have got 300mm bang on. I don't know if you can see my pencil line there, it's a bit faded. But that's my finished floor level. It's not top of brick, it's actually just about there. And that works perfect because we crashed down, no, we bedded up yesterday to make sure we can get our finished floor level. So 4 courses, dob on there, and then we're just going to run it all in, and we should be almost there today. So good progress today, I'm thrilled. So let's do it.
Let's go.
Charlie, if you hear me talking to myself, I'm not, I'm just talking to the camera. I've not totally lost the plot. Have a look. That's not bad. What do you reckon, Charlie? Do you reckon we'll all be low, high? Oh, the laser's gone off again. Bro, would you hop in there and turn that laser on, if you can? You can see where to step. Yeah, go on. Just like, there's a knob on the back. Just turn, spin it one way, and then spin it the other way. Oh, no way. Perfect. So, I've just hit finished floor level there. So that's perfect. I'm level with there, level with there.
Off?
Yeah, turn it off. That can go away now. Buzzing. I mean, start taking them around the other way for now. The only tool I want you to leave out for you and me is our pointing bars and probably my toolbox because it's got a few little bits and bobs in there I need for home. Yes. Right, we've pretty much finished for today. Me and Charlie have pretty much pointed up the entire wall, bar some stuff over there. It's the first day in 3 days we've actually made some progress. Like, the job is actually coming along. I don't know how many bricks we've got down today.
Hey, party!
Honestly, Matt's trying to do an outro.
How rude! How rude!
Anyway, we've got bricks down. We're up to finished floor level.
And we're celebrating, clearly.
We're celebrating, yeah.
Come on!
Woo, progress. Right, sad. I'll catch you in the next one.